How to add Twitter on Clubhouse. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Twitter on Clubhouse, and this is how to go about it. The first step is for you to log into your Clubhouse account, just like I've done here. Then move to the top right corner, click on your profile icon, and then on the profiles page, ensure you select settings. Once you're in your settings page, you'll see a number of options, right? Among these options, look for the options for you to connect your social media accounts and then select Twitter. Now, on this page, you can see that there's nothing like that. So just click on your profile name and you'll be taken to your account page. On this page, you can see that the only social media account that can be connected is Instagram. This shows that Twitter is not yet allowed to be connected to Clubhouse. All right, so you can just hold on until when the feature is added, or you can send a message to the customer support asking them that you need your Twitter to be connected to your Clubhouse and you'll be directed on what to do. But for now, the only account that you can link to your Clubhouse is your Instagram. So please just endure with Clubhouse until when they include this into their system. I hope this tutorial has helped you. Thank you for watching and have a good day.